Together, we get results with Beehive. Bees are vital for the future of our planet. So are young learners, who have the skills to collaborate and achieve results. Beehive is a new primary course that helps students gain the life skills and the exam results they need to thrive. By combining a comprehensive grammar and vocabulary syllabus with an exciting collaborative learning approach, Beehive encourages children to work together to achieve a shared goal and develop collaborative skills that benefit them in the future. With every unit offering exciting team projects, think, feel, grow activities, and stories and videos from all over the world, Beehive empowers children to learn about the world around them, grow their global skills, and fly through their exams and beyond. Learn, grow, fly. Together, we get results with Beehive.